how to express your love, how to tell the one you love in Setswana that I love you. Hi everyone, Setswana here from Losika Writes and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about how to express your love, how to tell the one you love in Setswana that I love you. If you die, I would eat you. Yes, there's a saying that says literally that. How do you just say, I missed you, I was thinking of you in Setswana? Well, I got you. I'm Setswana from Losika Writes. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, all the jazz. Let's get started. So you're meeting this girl for the first time, or this boy, I won't say boy, this man that you're falling in love with. Oh, you've been married, you've been going on for a while, and Botswana, which means they're from Botswana, or they're interested in African life. And how do you impress them? How do you impress them? Well, I got the recipe. Just start speaking in native tongue. Ke a go rata. Ke a go rata means I love you. I love you. Ke go gopotse. I am thinking of you. Setswana is very poetic. I am thinking of you. Ke go gopotse. Ke ntse ke a go rata Writes. I'm still here loving you. I still love you. Ke ntse I am here. I am. Ke ntse ke a go rata. Ke a go rata, which is I love you. I'm still here loving you. Ke go tlhoafaletse. Ke go tlhoafaletse means I am missing you. I miss you. I am missing you. Ke go tlhoafaletse. Pelo ya me, yeah, listen to the poem. Pelo ya me e tlala boitumelo fa ke go bona. Pelo, which is heart, ya me, belonging to me. E tlala boitumelo. It fills with joy. Boitumelo is joy or happiness. Fa ke go bona, when I lay my eyes on you. That's not romantic. Pelo ya me e tlala boitumelo fa ke go bona. My heart fills with joy when I lay my eyes on you, when I see you. Pelo ya me e tlala boitumelo fa ke go gopola. My heart fills with joy when I think of you. Ooh, moratiwa, moratiwa, my love. Moratiwa, motho wa me, my person. Moto is person. Wa me, belonging to me. Motho wa me. Mokapelo, the one who, in my heart. The one who's in my heart. The one who has my heart. Mokapelo, mokapelo. Lorato la pelo ya me. The love of my life. The love of my heart. Ooh, imagine. Anyway, while you're still falling in love, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get our coloring books that are for the whole family. Kituta Hokwala for the little one who's learning to write in your life, at the farm, all the different farm fun adventures, and Gaitata. I love myself. Setswana positive affirmations. These are all available if you search Losika Writes on Amazon, whether that's Amazon UK, Amazon US, Amazon Australia. Please and thank you for supporting our channel. Hope you learned something. Till next time, Khosiame. Bye.